Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to wire Ethernet cable. So let's get started. For this, we are gonna need an Ethernet cable, which is Cat 6, as much as you need, and this is enough for me. And RG45 crample connectors, RG45 cramping tool, and Ethernet cable tester to verify that it's working. So let's begin. Let's firstly measure it, and this is gonna be enough for me. And here I'm gonna be doing strip off carefully. Let's put it right here. Length of the outer jacket, let's do it gently, being careful not to damage of conductors inside. So as you see, it shouldn't be damaged cables. Let's check it out. Yeah, everything is clear. So Cat 6 usually has a loose plastic core running down the center to reduce crosstalk between those two devices. Each pair is colored, and I'm gonna cut it. Let's strip off carefully. I snap off the plastic crosstalk separator that both run along inside the cable. Now it's time to untwist all four pairs of wires and pinch each wire tightly between your thumb. Here we are. Now it's time to arrange the 8 wires in the correct order. There are two main standards, T568A and T568B. The only difference is the greens and orange thread places. The key important is that the wiring is the same on both ends of the cable. I tend to use T568B because it's mostly used white, orange and white, solid orange, green and white, solid blue, blue and white, solid green, brown and white, and finally solid brown. We need to make sure that everything is under correct. Yeah. Orange and white, solid orange, white green, solid blue, blue white, solid green, brown white, and finally brown. Yeah, that's right. Now it's time to cut it carefully. Yeah, let me take this, a plug. Let me measure that. This is gonna be enough for me. Yeah. Here I'm gonna put it carefully as much as I can. So that's why don't miss that. Yeah. Yeah, it seems okay. Now it's time to press it. Press it several times. Make sure that every wire is in the correct order and you repeat it other side. If one of is missing, then it's not gonna be working. Yeah, that's okay. Now let's repeat it for this. Now it's time to verify that it's working or not. Let me plug it right here and one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Yeah, it's working correctly. If one of the wires is missing, then it's gonna be working like this. Then it won't help you. Anyhow, I hope this video will be helpful for you and have a great day.